Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Latest. Before starting with the video, I have a small request from you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe me, and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload a new video, you'll get notified first. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Friends, today in this video I'm gonna review about this Tinkle Eyebrow Razer. I'm gonna do my eyebrows using this razor. Later on I'm gonna give my experience how this razor worked. So please do watch till end of my video, don't skip at any part. This is how the package looks. You'll get with the different colors. And here there is no MRP has been given. It has skin protection, stainless steel cover, and it removes fine hairs on neck, face, or hairs in unnecessary areas. You can see here how the razor look like, and I will get a cap like this. If I want to say about the quality of this handle, quality is so delicate. It is not so durable. It is not so good quality. It is okay. Guys, I'm using this razor for very first time. Before I was using Miniso eyebrow shaver. I thought like let me try this out first. I got this package for 160 rupees. You'll get with 3 package like this, and I buy it in Amazon, and the link will be on my description. Let me start shaving my eyebrows. Before start shaving your eyebrows, you need aloe vera gel or any moisturizer. Then you need some tissue paper, and then you need a mirror. I shaped my eyebrows using this razor. What I felt is this razor removes your eyebrows hair keenly and doesn't use you any cuts over your skin. Like I was used keen areas, but it doesn't make me any cut. The negative thing which I felt of this razor is the quality is not so good of this razor. The second thing which I felt as negative point is that the blade is not too sharp to remove your hairs. Since this doesn't give you any cuts, you can use this for face and eyebrows or forehead or upper lips, like that. Okay, then that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.